On this screencast tour, you'll see exactly what it looks like to be a student enrolled in the course here on Proofread Anywhere. So once you're enrolled in the course, you'll go onto the home page, and then you can click right here in the upper right-hand side to log into your account. Be redirected straight to this page, which is called the Course Progress page. Anytime you want to get back to this page, you just need to click this link, and this link will only appear if you're logged in. So if you don't see it, then you're logged out and you need to log in. So the Course Progress page shows the outline of all the course content, and I occasionally post news here. Most of the announcements I actually post in the Facebook group, so you'll definitely want to be a part of that. And you have quick download links to the right. We've got an Excel file, we've got the annotated errata sheet, we've got the different handouts, and I'm constantly adding to this as we have new printable resources for you. As you can see, as we scroll down here, there's 8 modules to work with, and each module is made up of course units, each containing 1 or more lessons to complete. I'm always adding to these, and some people get annoyed with me, but the more the merrier, right? You've got more resources to learn how to do the work even better. So we've got the introduction module where you're going to learn all of the background information necessary to understand the work you'll be doing when you proofread transcripts. You'll learn the basics of steno, which you don't have to know to be a proofreader, but it's very helpful if you do know it. You'll learn how a steno machine works and see it in action through a video. And we spent a lot of time in Module 1 learning what a court reporter does and how a transcript becomes a transcript. Being able to identify with your audience is really key, so that's why we spend so much time learning these things. The different types of transcripts, the things that are typically included in the different types of transcripts, and then a bunch of additional introductory resources for you. Module 2, we've got nuts and bolts of transcripts, and that's a lot of punctuation. We'll be learning all the different kinds of errors you're going to be looking for when you proofread transcripts that you'd be using your checklist with. You'll also go through lots of lessons on grammar, punctuation, capitalization, and all of that is geared specifically toward transcripts. And it's different than the Chicago Manual or the AP Style Guide. There's different style guides that we follow in court reporting. There's also several videos and printable handouts on the punctuation concepts that are covered in this module. You'll complete a lot of worksheets and quizzes in Module 2, and it may take you a while to complete, and this is another module that I'm constantly updating. In Module 3, we'll learn about 4 different methods you can use to proofread transcripts, how to do each of them, and then the pros and cons of each of them. The module features screencast tutorial videos to show you exactly how to mark up a transcript using various methods. In Module 4, we take a closer look at the most popular and efficient way to proofread transcripts. There are more screencast tutorial videos in this unit, including one on how to set up iAnnotate on your iPad. Module 5 is the practice module, where you'll be taking all the theory you've learned in the unit so far and putting it into action. This module contains not only the practice PDFs for you to proofread, but the annotated answer keys of each of these transcripts so you can see how you did on each job, which allows you to immediately identify any areas of improvement you'll need. There are 50 practice transcripts, each varying in difficulty and subject. You'll work through hearings, examinations under oath, depositions, and others to get used to the countless styles and topics found in transcripts. And at the end of Module 5, you'll then take the Module 5 quiz, and it's right here. It's a 9-question punctuation and word use quiz, plus a quiz page, which is a page from a transcript with a bunch of errors in it. You'll have to correct every error and answer all the questions correctly on the quiz in order to progress. Module 6 is all about communicating with clients, the best practices to ensure smooth sailing when you start working with real court reporters. Turnaround time, providing excellent customer service, what to do when you need time off, things like that. Then in Module 7, we get a little bit technical and we talk about the ins and outs of billing, accounting with your new business, whether that business is big or small. You'll get answers to questions like when to bill your clients, how much to bill them, and how to set your rates. At the end of Module 7, though, it's time to take the final exams. There's 2 final exams. You'll see Unit 5 and 6 here. The first one is a 75-question multiple choice test. You have 50 minutes to complete it and 3 attempts to earn a score of 90% or higher. Then you complete the exam transcript with your application for your certificate. The exam transcript is 25 pages long and we grade it strictly, so any missed errors will require a retake. Only after successful completion of both of the exams will you gain access to the marketing module, which is Module 8. In these units, we're going to go over where to find clients, strategies to get hired, how to use social media to connect with potential clients, how to build a website, and plenty of do's and don'ts. My favorite part of Module 8 is the social media training videos in Unit 2. You're getting hours and hours of high-quality training with social media experts to help you learn these platforms and use them to build your business. In Module 9, it's time for a farewell pep talk from me, your instructor, because at this point, you've worked long and hard to complete the course, and you may just need a little push to get you on your way. And that's all the modules, so what we're going to do now is just click on a unit and take a look at what's inside. We'll click on, in Module 1, Unit 4, How a Transcript Becomes a Transcript. So the importance of this module or this unit is just to teach you what the process is that a court reporter goes through and how that transcript becomes what it is. And it's really important to know, and it's a lot of reading, but it's really important that you understand that whole process. So we spent a lot of time, teaching you about all the different parts. What is the reading science sheet? What's a certificate? Things like that. While you're in the unit too, you have all the units available in the sidebar here, and it's all drop down. So as long as you've completed the unit, you'll be able to move on to the next one and kind of jump around here. Or you can go all the way to the bottom and click next unit. So quickly, we're going to go back to the course progress page. And a quick note about navigating through the course. You'll see all of my green check marks here, and that's because these units have been completed. But if they haven't been completed, they're gray circles. The course is designed to move one unit at a time. So if you're just beginning and you want to jump down to Module 8 to learn marketing, you can't do that. You actually have to complete all of the modules and units before it and pass all the tests before you can actually access that module. And the reason we do that is just because we want to make sure that they can actually do the work and can show us they can do the work by being tested before we allow them to learn how to get that work from clients. So we're going to go ahead and click on another unit. How about the one on commas here? Now in this unit, you've got some text here at the top, and then you've got a video here, plus a handout and a worksheet, and then you've got your answer key so you can check your work. So as you can see, we've got lots of different ways to teach you things during the course. So that's it. I hope this video tour allowed you to see just how much you'll learn by enrolling in Transcript Proofreading Theory and Practice. I certainly enjoy teaching it, and I hope to see you in the course. Let me know if you have any questions by clicking Contact at the top of the page or right here, and I hope to talk to you soon.